Hello everyone, it's Jessica Michaels here for the Thermoweb design team, and today I'm showing you some easy techniques for some no heat foiling. So I've got some of the foam adhesive sheets here from the Thermoweb shop, and it's just like it says, it's adhesive. It's actually adhesive on both sides of this. So I am just going to run this through my manual die cutting machine here with some alphabet dies, and I'm going to be spelling out the word 1 because my daughter's actually turning 1 with the photos that I'm scrapbooking today. He's actually turning 3 here in November coming up. So, yep, I'm a little bit behind, but you know what? That's okay. I have a ton of photos that I need to scrap, and I just kind of jump around and I arrange them in my books by date order. So, I have my little alpha dies here. I'm actually cutting these out twice from this foam adhesive because I just wanted to have a backup plan in case I decided to change my foil color or do something different. But I did decide on using this glimmering gold color. These are the fancy foils by ginakdesigns. I love these. They come in a gazillion different colors. I have the swatch cards here too, which is also super helpful because then I can just quickly flip through my swatches and I know exactly what colors I have. And I am just putting these little adhesive foam letters down. I'm peeling the top off. So I'm peeling that backing off of the top part, and then I just laid them face down on the kind of silvery side of the foil. You want the silver side of the foil touching your project. So whatever you want to foil, you want that to be down on your project. And then I had the colorful, beautiful side facing me when I flipped it over there. And then I just ran it through my manual die cutting machine to apply some pressure. That's all you have to do, guys. It's so super simple and easy. So all you do with those foam sheets is you just peel off that top part. That'll leave you with a sticky residue on the top. You adhere your foil right down onto it, and then you apply pressure with your manual die cutting machine. I did press a little bit extra whenever they came out, and it is easiest for me if I kind of peel the foil off of the letter as it's laying down on my cutting mat. I found it to be easier to do it that way than to try to peel the letter off of the foil, if that makes sense. So I've got my background papers here that I'm using today. I've actually pulled a couple background papers out of my Rest and Revs 2.0 collection by 49 Market, and I'm going to just create a little wavy design as a focal point on the center of my layout, and then I'm just going to embellish around it. So I'm going to grab some rub-ons and I'm going to add those onto my page. I'm going to add these 2 photos today of my sweet baby girl, and yeah, it's going to be a super simple and easy layout today. Nothing crazy going on here. I wanted to keep that super simple and easy flow going because my foiling was really easy. So I just wanted this to be an overall quick and easy project. So I'm going to link all the products below in my description. So if you click that see more button, you should be able to see all of my links for the products that I'm using today. And you can grab anything that you need to start foiling from the Thermoweb shop. And it's so easy, you guys. If you haven't tried foiling, this is literally how easy it is. You can do it without a laminator. You can do this with a laminator if you have one, but for the foam adhesive sheets, I just prefer to use my manual die cutting machine to just apply that pressure for the foil transfer. Just seems easier to me, and it's just very, very quick and fast, and I don't have to get out my laminator to do it. So I'm just going to continue layering my embellishments here. I'm going to apply some rub-ons and just finish up embellishing this. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer. So here's the finished layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this process today, and I hope that I've encouraged you to try foiling if you haven't tried it yet. And again, I will link everything down below in the description for you if you want to grab anything from the thermoweb shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for being here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.